Cytochrome P450, what it does, benefits and how to support it safely. Most people have never heard of Cytochrome P450, but these enzymes quietly control how your body detoxifies chemicals, processes medications, balances hormones, and even activates vitamin D. Today, we're breaking down exactly what Cytochrome P450 enzymes do, why they matter, and how you can support healthy function safely and naturally. What Cytochrome P450 enzymes do. 1. Drug metabolism. These enzymes are responsible for breaking down around 70 to 80% of all medications. They determine how long a drug stays active, how strong it feels, and how quickly it leaves your system. Some drugs even rely on CYP enzymes to activate them, meaning they don't work until CYP450 switches them on. 2. Detoxification of toxins. CYP enzymes also help neutralize environmental toxins, pollutants, alcohol byproducts, and even carcinogens. Think of them as your body's chemical processing system, constantly working behind the scenes. 3. Hormone and steroid production. These enzymes help your body produce hormones like estrogen, testosterone, cortisol, and aldosterone. Without CYP450, your endocrine system simply wouldn't function. 4. Cholesterol, bile acid and vitamin D metabolism. They're also involved in cholesterol pathways, bile acid formation for digestion, and the activation of vitamin D, which is essential for bone health, immunity, and mood. 5. Fatty acid and metabolic regulation. CYP enzymes help regulate fatty acids and inflammatory molecules, playing a role in energy balance and metabolic health. Benefits of healthy CYP450 function. When your CYP450 system is functioning well, you get a long list of benefits. Efficient detoxification. Safer, more predictable drug metabolism. Balanced hormones. Better vitamin D activation. Stable cholesterol and bile acid production. Reduced oxidative stress. In short, healthy CYP450 activity supports overall metabolic stability. Can you boost CYP450? Here's the important part. You cannot safely boost specific CYP enzymes. Why? Because increasing or decreasing CYP activity can dramatically change how medications behave. Boosting can make drugs ineffective. Inhibiting can cause dangerous drug buildup. So instead of trying to boost CYP enzymes, the goal is to support overall liver health, which helps CYP450 work the way it's meant to. How to support CYP450 safely. 1. Support liver health. CYP enzymes live primarily in the liver, so anything that supports liver health supports them too. This includes antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and staying hydrated. 2. Avoid unnecessary CYP disruptors. Some foods and supplements can interfere with CYP activity. For example, grapefruit juice can inhibit CYP3A4, while St. John's wort can induce several CYP enzymes. Being aware of these interactions helps keep your system stable. 3. Ensure adequate micronutrients. CYP enzymes rely on nutrients like iron, B vitamins, and vitamin D. A balanced diet naturally supports these pathways. 4. Reduce toxin exposure. Less toxin exposure means less work for your CYP enzymes. Improving indoor air quality, avoiding smoking, and choosing low-additive foods all help. 5. Support the gut-liver axis. A healthy microbiome reduces inflammation and toxin load, which indirectly supports CYP stability. Fiber-rich foods and fermented foods are great here. So that's Cytochrome P450, the enzyme system that quietly runs your detox pathways, hormone balance, and drug metabolism. You don't need to boost it. You just need to support your liver, reduce unnecessary stresses, and let your body do what it's designed to do. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what topic you want next.